You ready to fix your car? All right, we'll pull them out.
Where am I setting them?
I don't know, on the ground. That's the heavy one. Cool. What's up, guys? Show Off 3x4 here, bringing you another vlog. It's been a while since we've been at Marty's house. Or not his house, his shed. I guess I've been here a couple times. Wow. I've been here a couple times, but for nothing. And I've got 2 videos to make for you guys here today. But the first video we're gonna do is Jalen's car, my fiance. Ever since she's gotten this car, it's needed brakes really, really bad. And we've finally been able to get them, and we're gonna do them today. But I said I'm gonna make her do them. You ready to do your brakes? Okay, you're doing them. So what's the first thing you gotta do?
Lift it up.
All right, let's do it. Okay, lift it up. All right, I'm gonna show you where to lift. Come down here. See this right here? This is your subframe. This whole thing you can lift on. So put the thing right there and start lifting it. There you go. You getting it? Muscles. Yep, 90 impact. I'm gonna tell you right now, those are 19 millimeters or 3/4. The right way?
Yep.
Okay, take them off.
Yeah, I will
gotta
always
take this off.
use snap on ratchets.
Yep,
Oh,
okay,
you
so.
You take it off in the back.
Yep, no, this is a caliper. This is a bracket. You don't have to take the caliper off. You can take this whole thing off and then we can take it off in pieces together. I'll grab a
13.
15 for the bracket. I don't know if it's 15, probably is. All right, so there's your 15 for the bracket.
Just push it.
All right, put that bolt back in, just a couple threads. I'm gonna grab you a 15.
That's right.
Yep, is it a 15? Okay. There you go. Alright, stop. Pull it off. Alright. So now take that bolt out.
Why are you holding it like it's fast?
Just in case it falls.
But like,
You're taking the bottom one out too.
you're like, you trying to show off your nails? Did you get them done?
Yeah, my nails. Can you tell my nails are done? Like this. Right in there and pry it right off. But hold it so you don't fall, because that's gonna fall.
Ooh, those are dandies, man.
All right, now go. You can go from the bottom if you have to, or you might be able to get it. All right, now don't let that hang by the brake line. Set it right on that arm. Okay, now, so take this and take the caliper off.
Oh.
But again, you're gonna want to hold. Yeah, there you go. Put one arm on it. This should. You should come off pretty good. All right, now put that down. Grab the bolt. Now take the bracket off the caliper. Perfect. Okay, now put that over on the bench. Hold that and just give her a whack. Or don't hold the bracket. That's didn't need to.
Jeez.
Now pull the pad out.
Jeepers Christmas.
There you go. Now the last thing, pull these off. All right, now go get your, it's gonna be the heavier box.
Make sure you throw this stuff away.
Do you have a, do you have a grinding wheel? You should, but. Okay, so basically, what you wanna do is, you see all that kind of rust and stuff in there? You wanna get all that off to make it, like you don't wanna take away material, but you wanna get it cleaned up so that your new clips will sit on there good.
This will make that shoot out of your hand if you don't hold on to both.
You know how to do it? You gotta, there's a safety on it. Pull this up, and then push it in.
Scared for my life.
And don't
How
hit,
the heck do I do that? At the
don't hit that boot either.
Can't do that. It's just,
You gotta do it.
gotta hold it.
Here, I'll hold this for you.
Oh god. Oh god. We're all dead. It's a cordless machine.
Careful, careful. You don't want to do it too long. There you go. Now you can kind of take your finger and just kind of wipe that stuff off.
There's your bag right there.
There, you got most of it off.
Did I just get in the back?
Okay, so now, put your new clips in. Yep. Other way. Yep.
Not brake material? So... Is this steel?
Good. Like I said, it wasn't so much that she was running out of pad. As you can see, there you go. Because these aren't like, she was getting low, but she still had a lot of pad left. It's her brakes were so warped, but that's what the problem was. So now this is a anti-squeak, or it's a, not anti-squeak. It's a squeak device to basically let you know when your brakes are squeaking, that means you're getting low on pads. We were looking for grease and we didn't know, I didn't even show the freaking stuff.
I did know it came with it.
The power stops came with grease in them. Can you shut your phone up? Oh my God.
Oh, Apple's gonna sue you. Copyright for using their...
It's my work group chat.
All right, so these are power stops. They're factory replacement, but they're not AC Delcos. They're power stops, but it's factory replacement. So go ahead and get that out of the, nope, come over here. We gotta spray it down first. Get the,
Spray this down.
yeah.
Why
Oh,
it's
it
greasy?
doesn't- It's not, yeah, exactly, it's not supposed to.
Oh.
All right, that's fine if it just hangs there. Okay, now take this and just, yeah, move it out of the way. And just douse the rotor. No, more. Psh, go around it. There you go. Now take that and rub all the stuff off. Be careful because it's loose on there. Now go grab your bracket. Now, you're gonna wanna put it on, it goes on this side. Other way. There you go. Now make sure your pads are out far enough that'll go over the rotor. Okay, now line up these holes and then grab one of your bolts. Don't let that hang there, it's gonna fall. Grab one of the bolts. Nope, those are caliper bolts. Not the bracket bolts. Where'd you put them? You might have to move that around a little bit. Now we gotta find a tool to push these back in because these are still out because of how low your other pads were. So enable for this to fit over these, we gotta push those back in. Okay, so you're gonna take this, you're gonna put it, other way.
A lawsuit against GM for my failure fuel failure.
You getting it? Is it all the way in? It'll really stop once it's all the way in. That should be good. Perfect.
Fits like a glove.
All right, so now, just to make sure, you take this and just kind of make sure they're tight. Ooh, baby. So go onto the bracket bolts first, make sure they're tight. You're gonna be lifting up though. Give her help. All right,
that's
that was good. Now go to the bottom.
With both arms, I feel like I would have did more torque as well.
Those are good.
Good. Okay, now put the 13 on and check those, but you're not gonna reef on these. You're just gonna.
Yeah, you can bust them off.
You can bust those.
Yeah, that one's good.
Good. All right. Well. All right. I'll go to the next one. I'll do it again. Just go gang. Keep going a little longer. Perfect. She's doing it on her own now. She got the caliper bracket and caliper off. Now she's coming over here.
I don't think I'm watching anything.
You could have pulled it out of the box, dude. So the other side didn't have a freaking Torx bit, like bolt for the rotor. This side does. But now that I got it out, this is the most fun part. I'll take the rotor. You get to smack the piss out of the rotor, get it to come off. And because we're not using them, you can hit it anywhere. But I'm gonna get you a real hammer. That's not gonna do anything. Give her hell. Give her hell. There you go. Be careful to keep this very straight. All right, good. Now I'm gonna go grab you a brake pad. Yeah, you can spray that off and go grab you a brake pad.
Going in like a champ.
It's good, that means you got a good caliper. Oh my God. This one's even worse. Woo! Yeah, these rotors were pretty freaking bad. They're just nasty warped. I can't believe we drove to Atlanta with these. Oh well. Don't matter now. I'm very proud of you so far. You're doing pretty good. Now where is it?
They're over.
You want to do it by yourself? No, we started this at 8. It's only 9:10. So you're beating dealership paid time.
Okay. Now
Before you do that, you may as well be now it's out of your way. Just make sure these are tight good. So before the caliper's in your way. Good? Let me see it. Man, you are you are a dirty mess. It's alright. Do it more. Do it more. Do it more, babe. All right, go for it.
Nah, just drop it. It's fine.
That's all right.
Let it down. Let it down really slow. Drop.
Okay. Okay, so I'm running out of battery, but I'm gonna get your start up, and then before you put it in reverse, you gotta push the brakes, like pump them like 4 or 5 times so you get a good pedal feel again. Hey. Otherwise, you put it in reverse, it'll just go right into the freaking door. You can't stop it, so. All right, now pump it pretty good. Put it in reverse and hold the brake. Make sure it holds. All right, you can come out. Haven't had the old truck start up in a while. Good old diesel. All right, guy, well.
It's good seeing you again.
Yes, sir. We haven't seen each other in 6 months according to YouTube, but it's all right. Stay awake because I'm coming on Xbox.
All right.
Alright, we gotta do this fast because I'm almost out of battery. Okay. So go up to about 30 miles an hour. And I go to like 35. Now you're gonna roll into it. You're gonna slam it, end up slamming it, but roll into it really hard. The brake. Harder, harder, harder. Okay, do that 2 more times.
I just dropped something.
Alright, kind of roll into it and then just slam on them. Harder. Alright, do that 1 more time. Good. Alright guys, so there you have it. Fiance did her own brakes. I'm pretty proud of her. She knew what she was doing, but I was just very kind of like in the teaching moment at the time. But I'm gonna try and keep this ending short. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, pretty happy that she's willing to do that kind of stuff, and she really likes to be able to get into kind of fixing her own car and getting into that kind of scene. It isn't a bad thing at all. It's freaking awesome. So, like I said, hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next vlog.